In this tutorial, I'll go over how to access, use, and upload templates in Google Slides. You'll know where to find templates, how to use them, how to upload the templates. So therefore, you can look through and use things such as certificate, photo albums, flashcards, work presentations, etc., which will help students and teachers utilize Google Slides more effectively to create things such as study tools and presentations. So from Google, go to your Google Apps and then Slides. In Slides, you find the templates in the top gallery portion, and then down here is all your recent presentations. So we can go to Template Gallery by pressing Template Gallery and look through all the general things such as educational, personal, work, and then select from one of these. So let's say I want to make flashcards. We'll pick the flashcards template. Now to edit the template, all you do is click on the word and then you can change what it says in here. So that is how we get to a template and use it. And then if you want to look through the Fairbanks North Scarborough School District one, these are all the templates that anyone in the Fairbanks North Scarborough School District has submitted. If you want to submit a template of your own, such as your teacher, and you want students to use a template, then go to Submit Template, select Presentation, and then pick which presentation you want to upload, press Open, and then submit a copy of this file instead of the original so that students use the template itself and don't mess with the original file. And then the category, and press Submit. The template that you've submitted will go under the category that you just created. Now this presentation has gone under the school districts, all the slides ever uploaded. So overall, in summary, to get to templates, press on Template Gallery, select the template that you want from the school districts or general, and then use it from there.